Hey, I want to make money by using YouTube Shorts. If yes, then watch this video till the end because I am going to show you the YouTube Shorts channel that is making thousands of dollars from YouTube Shorts without showing face and without making the video. That is the one category in this video which I am going to show you. If you want more videos on this topic, I will make definitely, so comment down below. Let's jump on channel. So this is the channel Satisfying Mix, which is making thousands of dollars from YouTube Shorts, only uploading a copy and paste videos without making videos and without showing his face. So here you can see has that he gained 2.88 million subscribers on YouTube Shorts and videos you can show here, and he is from US country. Yeah, this channel Tap Entertainment, and he created his channel on April 9, 2020, and he gained 2.88 million. Wow, you can see that his ranking on Social Blade 21st. Here you can see his monthly estimate revenue is 79.2k to 1.3 million dollar monthly. I know that Social Blade has gave us only estimate, but we can figure out that he can make 10 to 20 or 50k dollars from this channel easily. And you know that this is not the strategy to make money from shorts. He can definitely use affiliate marketing for that. And here is estimate yearly earning 15.2 million as per saying of Social Blade, not is exactly. Yeah, and here you can see date wise his earning is 4.2k, and here is 3.4k, and here when you come upon here is a daily, weekly, and in last 30 days he made from the YouTube monetization. You have heard about YouTube fund, that YouTube fund can fund him a bunch of more money to this channel. Yeah, this is the channel which we show here to give you a guide that how people are making money from copy paste videos. So here you can come upon his channel that he is making videos. Here you can see hashtag slim video short satisfying. Yeah, one day ago he uploaded and he gained 17k views, 12k one day. And here you can see that he is uploading 4 to 5 or 6 videos per day. Now you can think that how he can gain his videos and make it and edit it. So I will show you at the end that how he is making these videos and copying these videos. So stay tuned. The next step is our to copy videos. So here you can see that 1 month ago he uploaded and he gained 3051k and 800k. Even he gained 27 million views from this video in 1 month. Yeah, 27 million views. This is a huge amount of views. And here is the 112 million views from this video. You can gain also this amount of views from this strategy to gain and make thousands of money from this. So here you can see that we have played this video, and here you can see this he is sharing his YouTube channel to subscribe, and you can make money from this description box. He's not putting that efforts, but you can put that effort affiliate links from Amazon and different. You can make a huge amount of money from this method. Yeah, so now it's time to give you a bonus tip that how you can take these kind of videos on social media. So come upon Instagram and type hashtag satisfying. Yeah, hashtag satisfying. When you follow this hashtag, you can see here a millions of posts are uploaded daily. Yeah, here you can see a different kind of satisfying videos are uploaded here. Yeah, you can take any video. For example, we are taking this video. You can see here this video has a ASMR satisfying sound. Yeah, you can hear this voice. So we are going to take this post link. Yeah, click here and copy the link. So whenever you copy the link, then go to Google and type Instagram video downloader and click any website's link, and we are here in Gram that download this video. So click here and paste that link and click download. Whenever you click download, he will pop up a screen that give you to download this video. So here you can see that we can download to click here. So this video is downloading. The size is 4.7. so you can download these entire videos from Instagram, and you don't have to edit any video. You can edit if there any videos have a copyright song. You can change this background music and upload it easily on your YouTube channel. This is so simple way to make money from this. So I have tested this kind of content on different channels I have uploaded, that I gain 7,000 to 10,000 views per week. Yeah, but if you want to make more money, you can upload more videos, more content from this strategy. Yeah, so comment down below which video you want and which category you want from my side. I will definitely give you ideas that how to make money from copyright content. And if you want more videos like this satisfying and other categories, comment down below. So that's all for today. Make sure you have subscribed to the channel, click the bell icon, like the video and share the video. So thanks for watching.